Hey guys, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. We're getting down, kicking down the door. Didn't do an intro. I got cannabis oil in the bottom of this brownie dish, I guess. I sprayed the sides with Pam, okay? And I've got 9-inch flaxseed tortillas. Now I did a video about poaching chicken breast in broth stock or, chicken concentrate that you could buy. Kitchen Bouquet might be the brand, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm making a enchilada pie, okay? So I've got chicken that I poached, and basically I'm layering this stuff, okay? The chicken you poach for about an hour and you can shred it like this. I mean, it's real simple, all right? Then some cheese. And when this thing's done, it's gonna be like flat instead of rolled, but it's gonna be nevertheless delicious. Now I've got some canned enchilada sauce, okay? I'm not making my own. I'm not that ambitious. And then put another tortilla. Some cheese. And yeah, let's put some more there. Okay, more chicken. And you just basically layer this, okay? And it goes into the oven for about, 35 minutes at 375 degrees. But it's really good, man. Really good, pretty simple. The enchilada sauce, I'm using the Verde, okay, which means green. You could use, there's some Verde that have red stuff in it, and I hate seeing that red stuff. I don't know, it's weird. So I use this. What brand is it anyway? La Castina. They make good salsa too. Okay, more cheese. And in the can of enchilada sauce, there's a 1/4 cup of cannabis oil. So, gotta make this cannabinized, Otherwise, why are we eating it, I mean, hell, I could go to a Mexican restaurant, get enchiladas, suizas. Okay. And yeah, it's not level, okay? I don't have a level here. And make sure that it's level. But push that down. More cheese. Okay. Chicken. And the reason why I don't put the sauce directly onto the tortilla, because I don't want that tortilla to get soggy. Even though it's not sitting in there, it's still in liquid. And see how nice that chicken is? It's still moist. Okay. Now, the rest of the combination of enchilada verde sauce or salsa and draping it down the sides. And there's a 1/4 cup of cannabis oil in there. Okay, now the rest of the cheese. Doesn't have to be anything decorative. Okay, man. Well, you know what? Now is the time for time-lapse photography, because one other touch. My wife loves taking Parmesan and toasting it in a non-stick pan. And I tell you, man, if you can make these Parmesan crisps and add it to your food, I know I've done it on other videos, but it just adds another crunch, another texture and another flavors, and there's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 35 minutes. The sauce should be boiling, the cheese melted, and everything cool. Chicken's already cooked, so I ain't even worried about that. Besides that, guys, we'll do some time-lapse photography for you, and we'll be back in a second. Jim, take it away. Give him some time-lapse. Hey! Time-lapse photography. Look at this, I cut a wedge out of here. Look at the pie effect, how it's nice and layered. Also here, take a look at this. Beautiful. Exactly what we want. And the cheeses, the sauce. Sauce nicely adorns and glazes this. This is exactly what I wanted, and that's exactly what you can make, nice and quick, okay? And why don't you grab your free e-cookbook, 125 pages, or recipes, cannabis barbecue recipes, and 230 pages. Free. You've been seeing the graphics, go to the comment section. At the top is a pinned comment, click on the link, and you'll get your e-cookbook in about 8 seconds, okay? So grab that. Me and the dogs love having you here on #StraightPoop. We will see you, but if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Take it easy and hang loose.